Welcome to my channel Logic Kids. Empower your logical skills. Today I'm going to start with the first episode in which I'm going to share series and sequencing. In this slide I'm going to tell you about the type of series and the question based on the series. There are three type of series: arithmetic series, alphabet series and alphanumeric series. And the question which are based on the series are: write the next term. You have to write immediately the next term after 9. Then you have fill in the blanks in which you have to write the number in between the series. Third one is odd one out, where you have to search the one number which is not suitable to this series, that is which number is the odd one out of this series. Starting with the arithmetic series. These series have a particular pattern to follow. In these questions, we need to sometimes add, subtract, ascending order series, descending order, same gap difference, skip counting, reverse counting, or mixed series. Let's start with the first series, that is ascending or addition series. First step to check the series is in ascending or descending order. As we can see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is in ascending order. They keep on increasing the numbers. So we can see that this first step is clear, that is ascending order. The second step is to check the difference between all the numbers. Here, the difference between all the numbers is 2. The difference between 2 and 4 is 2, 4 and 6 is 2, 6 and 8 is 2, 8 to 10 is 2. It means the difference is constant between all the numbers. So, the third step is to simply add that constant difference to the last number, that is 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Here we get an answer of 12. So our next series will be descending or subtraction pattern. Again, the first step is to check whether the series is in ascending order or descending order. Here we can simply see that it's all in descending order because it's keep on decreasing from 22, 20, 18, 16, 14. Second step is to check the difference between all the consecutive numbers. Here if we check the difference between all the numbers, it's coming 2 but minus 2 because the series is decreasing. So whatever the constant difference number, we have to simply minus this minus 2 from the last number of the series, that is 14. 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. So our answer is 12. So we are going to complete the series by 22, 20, 18, 16, 14 and 12. Next pattern is multiple gap difference. First step is to check whether the series is in ascending or descending order. Here we have the series 6, 8, 12, 14, 18, 20. It means the series is keep on increasing, that is ascending order. Second step to check the gap difference between all the consecutive numbers. If we check the difference between 6 to 8, it comes to be 1. The difference between 8 to 12, 3. Again 1, again 3, again 1, again 3. It means we are going to add 3 in the last number, that is 20 plus 3 is equal to 24. So we get a series answer like 6, 8, 12, 14, 18, 20, 24. This type of series is called the multiple gap difference, where we have the difference of two numbers, 1 then 3, again 1, then we have to see the 3. So we have to check the pattern of the differences, and same way we have to add the same number to the last number to get the answer. Now we are going to discuss the other type of series, that is mixed series. Take an example of 1, 3, 7, 13, 21. It's keep on increasing. So the first step is complete. Second step is to check the difference. If we check the difference between 3 and 1, it comes to be 1. Then 3 and 7, 4, 7, 13, 6, then 8, and the next number will be come after adding the 10. It means the pattern follows the skip of 2. So simply we add 10 to the last number to get a result as a 31. So we complete the series by 1, 3, 7, 13, 21, 31. That is called the mixed series. Now, in the conclusion, I'll tell you the best way to solve a numerical series or any numerical sequence problem. First step is to find the difference between two consecutive terms for the full sequence. Second, if the difference is constant as we shared, the question is solved. You can find the next term by adding the difference to the last term. Third, if the difference is not constant, identify if the difference follows a particular pattern. For example, in the initial examples, we see that the difference is constant of 2, 2, 2. So we simply add to the last number. Now, if the difference is like 2, 4, 6, 8, if it is this, identify what the next term should be in the sequence of difference. Example in 2, 4, 6, 8, then the next term will be 10. Add this difference to the last term and find out the next answer. Now, thank you so much. I hope you like my video. Next video will be on alphabetic series. So I will be coming with a video soon. Thank you so much for your patience.